Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make Snapchat private account. So you have to just simply open the Snapchat on your Android device. You have to just simply open and you have to go to the profile icon. So maybe later on notifications. So you have to go left to the profile icon and it will be loading. So you have to on the top right corner of settings, circle settings, so you will have to click to settings and scroll down to find contact me, where you can adjust private accounts. So you have to find contact me, click to contact me. So you have to just simply on the friends and contacts, it will be already on private section, but you will first contact me and you have to change my story also on the friends. So I will already on the friend mode, so it will be also private. You have to close your location, so you have to close the ghost mode location. And I'm just checking my location, it will be turned on and off. So it will be off, you have to turn it on. So you will have to close the mode, that you have to click to enable location. So I will once on my location and I will turn it off ghost mode. So you have to allow and you have to click my friends only. So these are the three major settings you will only on friends customize, so your account will be private. So that's easy steps. So this is how to Snapchat private account succeed. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.